How do you think it fell over?
Cause see, I'll show you. Just see that? See this? It doesn't look like somebody chopped it.
Oh, good point. No, it does not.
It's all like crumpled. And see these little spots? Bugs could have eaten those spots.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And then
Right
that
here.
made it weak, so it fell over?
So what you're saying
No,
is
no, no.
it looks like the
fell
roots
over and
rotted
got
out?
Rotten.
Oh.
And then all the bugs ate it.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Very interesting.
Now-
Thank you,
Here, let me
little
roll up
Dr.
my sleeves.
Vikasland.
Oh,
Right.
no! We forgot something. Follow me.
Okay, let's keep this headed in the general direction of home.
What did we forget?
We forgot. This big old tree. See that sap? See that wiry stuff? That's sap.
Oh.
And this is see it's all wrecky. And this, see, it's all black. Look at these other trees. They're all brown. This one's black. See?
What's that mean?
I don't know. And it has buddy growing out of it. Let me find that buddy. Oh yeah. See this buddy? It's its buddy. Look how chipped it is. That means some bugs probably ate the skin of the tree.
Oh,
So
good hypothesis.
let me roll up my sleeves. Come on.